everyone. My name is Neelima Singh. I am from the beautiful city of Varanasi. Tonight, I want to talk about something that affects all of us, no matter who we are, feminism and its importance in our life. I am going to start my speech with these beautiful lines. एक पिता अपनी बेटी से कहता है, पढ़ना है, तुम्हें क्यों पढ़ना है? पढ़ने को बेटे काफी हैं, तुम्हें क्यों पढ़ना है? बेटी पिता से कहती है, जब पूछा ही है तो सुनो मुझे क्यों पढ़ना है, क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ, मुझे पढ़ना है, मुझे दर दर नहीं भटकना है, सो पढ़ना है, मुझे अपने पाँव पर चलना है, सो पढ़ना है, मुझे अपने डर से लड़ना है, सो पढ़ना है, मुझे सब कुछ ही तो बदलना है, सो पढ़ना है, क्योंकि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, मुझे पढ़ना है. In recent years, feminism has become very popular due to its strong presence on social media, public protests, large movements, and statements from knowledgeable individuals. Feminism is often misunderstood. Some people think it's about women fighting against men, but that's not true. Feminism is about ensuring equality for everyone, especially in improving the lives of women. Historically, women have faced significant oppression. They were denied basic freedoms like the right to work, vote, or even make decisions about their own lives. They often needed permission from the men in their family just to leave the house. Feminism promotes gender equality to improve the lives of women all over the world. Feminism is not just about women, it's about creating a fair society where everyone, regardless of gender, has equal rights and opportunities, whether it's in the workplace, at home, or in education. And feminism aims to give both men and women the same choices and chances. In the end, I would like to say feminism is about building a world where equality is the norm, where men and women have the same respect, opportunities, and freedoms. We all have a role to play in making this a reality. So let's work together to create a fair, more equal future to everyone. I encourage everyone to start thinking about women, empower her, equal her, respect women, reject discrimination. Feminism is still needed because women still fight for equality. Let's break the barriers and create a world where every woman is valued, respected, and equal. I want to leave all of you with one question. Why we still need feminism? Thank you all. Thank you so much.